So you've got yourself the GoPro Hero 13 Black and you're wanting to factory reset it so it's like brand new out of the box. Maybe you're wanting to sell it or you're just wanting a fresh start. Let's show you exactly how to do this. So from the main screen here in our GoPro, we're going to swipe down from the top. You'll see your quick settings and we're going to swipe from right to left. And you'll see preferences over here. Go ahead and tap on preferences. And under preferences, we're going to scroll down right to the very bottom and it says reset down here. We'll go ahead and tap on reset. And then in the settings here, we're going to go to the very bottom where it says factory reset. So go ahead and tap on that. It says factory reset, resets your settings, clears your connections, and removes the camera from the GoPro cloud account. If you're all good with that, again, this is going to wipe it out so it's like brand new out of the box. We can go ahead and hit reset. It's going to start resetting the GoPro. Give it a couple seconds here. It'll restart and turn back on. And we've got our GoPro logo. It's like you're turning it on for the first time, and you can select your language and set it up again. And really it's that simple to factory reset your GoPro Hero 13 Black.